Hello children, welcome to our next class. Now, in our previous class, we have learned how to do divisions, how to divide 4-digit number with a 1-digit. We have learned. That means how to do divisions. Division of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit we have learned. Once again, I'll explain one problem in this class. In the previous class, I have given 2 problems as homework. Have you completed? Those who completed, send that homework to me. Today I'll explain one problem and we'll go to exercise 2.10. In exercise 2.10 we have 20 problems are there. So I'll explain one problem. We'll go to the exercise. Now we'll go to the exercise. Now I'm taking one problem, that is 3, 6, 4, 8 divides by 6. Now I want to divide 3648 with 6. I want to divide 3648 divided by 6. 3648 is called dividend and 6 is called divisor. 3648 is called dividend and 6 is called divisor. Now here the divisor is always, I said already, always you have to choose smaller number as the divisor. Here 6 is a smaller number, so 6 we have to choose as divisor. 6 is the divisor and 3648 is dividend. Here our divisor is 6, so here we need to write 6 table. 0 6 are 0, 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 6 9 are 54, 6 10 are 60. 6 table has completed. Now compare. If the divisor is greater, if the dividend is greater than divisor, then we have to take only one number. But here the dividend is smaller than divisor, so we have to choose 2 numbers. So here we have to take 3 6 36. Is there 3 6 36 in 6 table? Yes. Here we have 3 6 36 in 6 table. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36. 36 is possible in 6 table, that is 6 times. So 6 6 are 36. Now subtract. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Here we got 2 zeros only. Here we got 2 zeros. Now 3 6 36. 2 digits has completed. After 6, what is the next number? The next number is 4. The next number is 4. So now for this 4, these 2 zeros are left side. If you have for any number, if the zeros are left side, then there is no need to count the zeros. Now simply have to take only 4. Now take down, bring down 4. Now is there 4 in 6 table? 6 table of 4 kanipistunada? Is there 4 in 6 table? No, not there. If the number not there, then what we have to do? If the number not there, then we have to choose the smaller number of 4. What is the smaller number of 4 here? Smaller number. Smaller than 4. What is the smaller than 4 in the 6 table? Here we have one number, that is 0. 0 is smaller than 4. So here we have to take 0, that is how many times it is possible in 6 table? 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. Now subtract. 4 minus 0 it gives 4. 4 minus 0 it gives 4. Now after 4 what do I have here? 8. Now bring down that 8. Now it becomes 4 8 48. 4 8 48. Now check. Is there 48 in 6 table? 48. Yeah, here we have 48. How many times it is possible? 6 zeros are 0, 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48. So 6 8 are 48. Now subtract. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Now is our division has completed or more is there? Our division has completed. How can you say that? Because after 8 there is no number to bring down here. So our division has completed. Here our remainder is 0. 1 0 enough. Our remainder is 0. Now here we have to write what is the divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder we have to write here. Divisor. What is divisor here, Nana? divisor is 6. Then what is our dividend? D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. What is our dividend? Dividend is 3648. Next, quotient. What is the quotient? Quotient. Quotient. What is the quotient? 608. Last, remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Remainder. What is the remainder? Here the remainder is 0. Here we have two zeros, but one zero will enough. So the remainder is 0. Now our division has completed and we have written what is divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. Then here we have to confirm one thing, that is, now we have completed our division. But we don't know either our division correct or wrong, we don't know. How to check the division? Checking for division. Checking for division. C-H-E-C-K-I-N-G. Checking for division. Now for this division we have to check. To know our division is correct or wrong, how to check the division? To check the division we have one formula, that is dividend is equal to D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Dividend is equal quotient into Q-U-O-T-I into quotient into divisor D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Divisor plus remainder R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. To check the division we have to use this formula. This is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Next, quotient. What is the quotient here? 608. First we will write what is the dividend. What is the dividend, Nana? 3648 is equal quotient. What is the quotient? 608 into what is the divisor? Divisor is 6. Here we have into, so I have written into. Next, divisor. Divisor is 6. After divisor we have plus symbol, so I am taking plus symbol only. Remainder. Remainder is 0. Now you have to multiply these two. For this answer you have to add 0. After completion of this we should get the answer of 3648. If you get 3648, then our division is correct. Otherwise division is wrong. Now we will check. 608 into 6. Now multiply 608 into 6. 6 8s are 48. 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 6 6 are 36. The multiplication of both is 3648. Plus remainder 0 we have to add. Add 0 to 3648. Already we have learned in properties of addition. If you add 0 to any number or any number to 0, what is your answer? Answer is number itself. 0 ki ఏదైనా number add చేసినా ఏదైనా number ki 0 add చేసినా ఏమొస్తుంది? Answer is number itself. So 3648 plus 0 is 3648. Now 3648 is equal to 3648. Now division has completed. Division has correct. 3648 is equal to 3648. Both are same. So our division has completed and our division has correct. Like this you have to find the solutions for this division. By using this formula you have to check either your division is correct or wrong. Okay children. Now we will go to the exercise. Exercise 2.10. Exercise 2.10. Exercise 2.10. Now, see in your textbooks, page number 39. In page number 39, we have exercise 2.10. In the exercise 2.10, we have divide the following. Just first A bit, divide the following. D-I-V-I-D, divide the following. Just here we have to divide. No need to check. Check also just we have to divide and we have to find what is our divisor, quotient, remainder. We have to find. No need to check. First quotient. 2895 divided by 5. 2895 divided by 5. Divided by 5. Now 2895 is our dividend and 5 is the divisor. Now here our divisor is 5. So we need to write 5 table here. 2895. Now 5 table we have to start from 0 onwards. 0 5 is 0, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 45, 5 10 is 50. Now 5 table has completed. Now come to the division. Now which is if the dividend is greater, we have to take smaller number. If the dividend is smaller than the divisor, if the dividend is smaller we have to choose two numbers. Now take 2 8 28. Is there 2 8 28 in 5 table? No, not there. If the 28 not there, then we have to choose a smaller than 28 in 5 table. Here we need the smaller than the number of 28, which is nearest to 28 and which is smaller than 28. The number should be smaller than 28 and nearest to 28. 28 ki daggaraga undali, 28 kante chinnaga undali. See, up to here all these numbers are up to 25, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All these numbers are smaller than 28. Many numbers 28 kante chinnaga untayi. But which number we have to choose here? Here we have to choose 25. Why we have to choose 25 here? Because 25 is nearest to 28 and 25 is smaller than 28. So we have to choose 25. Here we have to take 25. How many times it is possible in 5 table? 5 times. So 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Now 8 minus 5, subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 2 0. No need to write the 0. Now after 8 here the next number is 9. Now bring down that 9. After bringing that 9, now this number becomes 3 9 39. That number becomes 3 9 39. Is there 3 9 39 in 5 table? 39. 39 not there. If the 39 not there, then we have to choose the smaller number of 39 and nearest number of 39. Smaller than 39 and nearest number of 39. What is it? 35 is nearest to 39 and smaller than 39. So 5 7s are 35. 35 is possible in 5 table. 5 table, that is 7 times. So 5 7s are 35. Now subtract again. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now after 9 the next number is 5. Now bring down that 9. So after bring down that 5. Now after bringing that down 5 to the down, now this number becomes 4 5 45. Is there 4 5 45 in 5 table? Yes. Here we have 4 5 45. How many times it is possible, Nana? 5 9s are 45. 9 times. So 5 9s are 45. 5 minus 5 0. 4 minus 4 0. Now after 5 do you have any number to bring down here? No. So our division has completed. What is your remainder? Remainder is 0. What is the quotient? 579. Now here you have to write everything. Divisor, D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Divisor is 5. Dividend, D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Dividend is 2895. Quotient, Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Quotient is 579. Last, remainder is 0. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Remainder is 0. Say, first problem has completed. In your notebook you have to write like this. One side you have to write find the solution for the division, and afterwards you have space. For example, if it is your notebook, here you have to find the division solution, and here you have to write what is divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. After completion of first problem, you have to draw the line and you have to find solution for next problem. I think in each page, two problems is sufficient. In each page, you have to write only two problems. First problem has completed. Next, second question, 6436. 36 divided by 6. Now the divisor is 6, dividend is 6436. Now we have to find the solution. 6 divided by 6436. Here we need to write 6 table. We have to start the table from 0 onwards in the division. So 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Now table has completed. Now come to the division. 6 and 6 both are equal, so you can take one digit. So if 6 is possible in 6 table, yes. How many times? 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. After 6, what is the next number? 4. Now bring down that 4. Now it becomes 0. 4 means 4 only. 0 4 means 4 only. Now is there 4 in 6 table? Is there 4 in 6 table? No, not there. If the 4 not there, then you have to choose a smaller than 4 in 6 table. What is the smaller number of 4 in 6 table? 4 table of, sorry, 6 table of 4 kante smaller number enti nana? 0. Is there 0 in 6 table? Yes. So we have to take 6 zeros are 0. Now subtract again. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. Now after 4, what is the next number? 3. Now bring down that 3. Now it becomes 4, 3, 43. After bringing down this 3, now this number becomes 4, 3, 43. Now see here, is there 4, 3, 43 in 6 table? 4, 3, 43. No. Here we need 43, but here we don't have 43. So we have to choose the smaller number, smaller than 43 and nearest number of 43. What is that? Smaller than 43. 43 kante chinnaga undi, 43 ki daggaraga unde number enti? Smaller than 43, nearest number of 43. Here we have one number that is 42. 42. 42 is smaller than 43 and 42 is nearest to 43. So we have to take 42. How many times it is possible? 42 possible in 6 table. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. Now subtract 3 from 2. 3 minus 2 gives 1. 4 minus 4 it is 0. No need to write to the left side of any number. Okay. Now after 3 here we have one number that is 6. Now bring down to that 6. Now it becomes 16. Now it becomes 16. Is there 16 in 4 table? 6 table? 6 table or 16 unda nana? No. So if 16 not there, then we have to choose a smaller than 16 number and nearest number of 16. Sorry, at 0, 6, 12. These three numbers are smaller than 16. 0, 6, 12. These three numbers are 16 kante chinnaga untayi. Now, can you say out of these two numbers which is nearest to 16? Here 12 is nearest to 16. So we have to take 12. How many times it is possible in 6 table? 2 times. So 6 2s are 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. No need to write. If you want to write, you can write. So remainder is 4. Quotient is 1072. Divisor is 6. Dividend is 6436. Now division has completed because after 6 there is no number to bring down. So our division has completed. Now here you have to write same like first problem. Divisor, D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Divisor is 6. Dividend, D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Dividend is 6436. Quotient, Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Quotient is 1072. Next last remainder is 4. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Remainder is 4. Now our division has completed. So now in exercise 2.10 all these problems are like this only. Each and every problem you have to complete like this only. So in exercise 2.10 we have 20 problems. Out of 20, 2 problem has completed. So more 18 problems are there. Out of that 18, complete that 9 problems today and complete remaining 9 problems tomorrow. So if you complete, then our exercise 2.10 will completed in the next class. we'll go to exercise 2.10. Okay children, hope you have understood this class. Again we'll meet in the next class. Okay children, complete homework.